Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tim. This is Vehicle Evolution, and today we are doing the new bumper. So as you guys saw in a couple videos ago, I had hit a raccoon over a year ago and smacked up the front of my bumper, cracked it underneath the fog light housing on the passenger side, and just kind of, you know, really did kind of a half-assed job of keeping it together over the last year, and it's always bothered me. So finally bought a new bumper. It is a factory style bumper. It's nothing extravagant or anything. I couldn't really find anything that I wanted to spend the money on that was going to be different than this, especially since I have the new hood coming, which is going to change the appearance of the whole thing anyway. But yeah, this video is going to be fairly short, not a real long video, on how to take the bumper off, how to put a new one on. And I also did a carbon fiber wrap in the center part where the license plate goes as well, so that'll be in here as well. But yeah, let's just jump into it. Alright, so we're going to remove the front bumper today and replace that, and we're also going to do a little bit of work in there. The front bumper is pretty easy to take off. You got to remove your top air box here, these 4 little push pins, and then you've got one here and one here that you pull out, and then underneath of there is a little piece that you got to kind of pop up and it slides out, and that releases the top part. Then you've got your pins underneath that you've got to pull out as well, and then the bumper just, you kind of real, I wouldn't say gentle, like here this is broken, so that's going to pop off anyway, but you got to give it a good little tug here and up here, because that's where the mounting points are, and then the whole bumper will pop off, and then you disconnect your fog lights and it'll be off the car. So we're going to do that, and I'll show you the new bumper. So that's all there is to it. It comes off pretty easily, and we'll have to remove our fog lights. We'll have to remove all this inside stuff, the mounting points. We'll take the lip off the bottom, and yeah, we'll get the new one put back on. And right there is going to be the new bumper. And it's the same bumper that I have before, just this one's not going to be broken. And like I mentioned, we're going to be doing a carbon fiber wrap in the middle here and probably right up here. So I'm gonna get this out, and then we'll get that thing wrapped, and we'll get this all put back together and see how it looks. Alright, so just unwrap the bumper, and I bet you're probably saying, why isn't it black? Well, it is black. So it looks like, just for shipping, to make sure that nothing gets scuffed, they actually have a powder that they put over this. So I'm going to actually put it all back together, and then, well, maybe we'll hose it off first. We'll see. And there we have the carbon fiber front piece. Looks pretty slick. We'll get this all put back together, and should look pretty good. Alright, so everything is put back together. Lips on. The lip is going to come off again to be painted, but that's going to be a while because it's really humid out. And for right now, I'm leaving these black, but they will probably become carbon fiber. Alright, so now time to put it all back together. that's the new bumper install. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I just found out that I'm about a week, maybe 2 weeks away from receiving the new hood. Maybe I'll flash a picture of the hood up like right now. It's gonna be really quick. But that's what the hood's gonna be, and I can't wait to get it. It's gonna totally change the look of the front end of this car. Anyway, that's all for me for now, guys. Until next time, take it easy.